What's up, guys? Crypto FUD. Let's jump right into this one. All right, so an update on Near Protocol. I'm gonna sound like a broken record if you're going through all my videos in the last like 2 days. It seems like we all, or every single altcoin, has basically bounced off the 618 after having a local high. After this little cool off period, all of them, it looks like not every single one, but most of them have literally gone on the same track where they have literally found that 618 and have bounced. Near Protocol is exact same. Looks like we hit a local high. It was about a week ago. Let's see here. So it was exactly the local high was on the 8th. So yeah, about a week ago from today, we were at $2.70, a little over $2.72 to be exact. We definitely cooled down. The market, as a whole cooled down. We bounced off that 618, which was around $2.11, and we currently sit at around $2.31. Looks like we're going to be coming up to this next point 0.5 fib line at around $2.37 to retest it. Looks like whenever we had the bounce down, we didn't go all the way down to the 618, went down to around $2.21, and then we wanted to bounce up to this point 0.5, got rejected, and that's when it sent us down to the 618 at around $2.10. Now we're bouncing back up, gonna retest this 0.5. I will say the markets as of today look good. Bitcoin's currently sitting at around 22,700. So if we can continue this drive up, I see near breaking through this 0.5 mark, which is around $2.37, and coming up to maybe retest this 382 fib. I think on the way there, we might see some maybe small resistance spots somewhere around $2.55, just because it's happened a couple times before. But if you can see, these are small resistance spots. If we are going to have a nice run, we probably will fly right through there and retest this 382 line, which is around $2.64. After that, we will, this local high, which was around $2.72, will be a nice spot for resistance. But other than that one spot hitting there, for the last like 4, 5, 6 months, that was really the only time we've really tested that level. So if we are, and I'm just speaking hypothetically, if we're running and we're on our way up, I think we're going to blow past a couple of these spots. I think, honestly, in between the 0.5 and the 382 at this $2.60 is going to be a better, more resistance spot that we're going to need to really focus on getting past. Getting up to this $2.72, I think we're just going to fly right by it. If we can, if we're approaching it, I think we're going to fly right by it. Maybe make a new local high somewhere mid spot in between the 382 and the 236, somewhere around $2.81 most likely, and then maybe get rejected and probably form some kind of support at this 382 at around $2.64. Hopefully we can find that as some support, and maybe that could be where the buyers are going to come in and get us up to that next fib line, which would be the 236 at around $2.97, right under $3. If we can get to that, then we're talking about maybe getting up to these levels where we haven't seen. It's been a little while. I mean, we're talking last year, November. Big spot of resistance is going to be the $3.41. But I don't want to get ahead of ourselves, because that, just getting to that spot, you're talking a major, major upswing. $3.40 would be somewhere around another almost 50% move from where we're at right now. So we're not going to get ahead of ourselves. Let's just take it, fib line to fib line, support to resistance. Like I said, right now we need to focus on this 0.5 at around $2, and we'll say, what is it, $2.37 is going to be that next 0.5 fib line that we're going to retest. We need to break through that. Hopefully we get some strong buy-ins. And then, like I said, that next strong spot of some really resistance that I see, the next level will be $2.60. And then from there on, we'll talk about maybe some new local highs. Now, opposite, if we're going to be moving down, definitely the 618 is a nice spot that I see that we already bounced off. Will be some big support. Hopefully we can, if we do bounce down there, we'll hit that 618. Buyers will come in and maybe shoot us back up to that point 0.5 area or somewhere close. If we break the 618, then we're going to be talking about this next spot in between the 786 and 618. I only pointed out because that's the spot that we bounced before, which was at $1.97. That will be another spot that I could see, if you are sitting on the sidelines, somewhere around $2 could be a good spot for you to maybe jump into the project or accumulate more into your bag. Not financial advice. Other than that, everything looks great. The market looks great. I honestly, I don't see, for right now, things can change. Midday we could just be, completely going back down. But as of right now, everything looks like it's going up. Nice. This isn't a necessarily a W pattern like some of the other ones that formed look better. But this, I mean, we'll call it a W pattern. A lot of times in the short term, we'll move up. So I don't question that we'll probably retest this 0.5 at around $2.37 for sure. From there, we'll leave it. Other than that, make sure you guys are subscribing to the channel so you can get instant alerts to my videos whenever I put them out. I thank you guys so much. Hope you have a wonderful day.